Using Jasper for content creation can help you quickly generate high quality, engaging AI assisted content for various purposes. What you need to do is go to the jasper.ai. It's totally up to you how you use it on your browser. Now you have to create an account. You'll be redirected to Jasper account. You can see on the screen where you can create a new short, a long form content. You view your recent documents. You can see your examples, chat with Jasper AI, start generating images with your written content. Before you Jasper at length, it's a good idea to take some time to customize the AI. You can Jasper's brown voice feature to provide the tool with additional context around how your voice should sound. It's so simple. On the screen you can see an idea. The knowledge base alone might not be enough to fully customize a Jasper, so that's why it's also important to visit the voice and tone section of your account and seek the options available there. You can try experimental with Jasper prompts. You can use a blank document, new document from the templates. You can create a blog post or new art style. There are a lot of Jasper templates. It's a good way to create a custom your Jasper works. When you select this option, you'll have a long list of templates. It's okay to use any of them. You can select a template. You'll see split window appear. After that, you can fill the details. The left, you'll generate a prompt that you want to see the prompt displayed as a paragraph. All of the day, it's behind the scene. After that, you can add a lot of stuff. You can use AI art to make images and stuff. You can see how simple it is. So this was how you can use Jasper AI for your content creation. There are a lot of social media content. There are a lot of marketing emails things you can write. There are a lot of templates that are already made for you, like users like you. And I'll see you in the next one.